y'all, what's up, what's happening, what's poppin'? So today I want to come and show y'all how I use the NeoCurly products on a twist out. So this is a black owned brand, and after a couple months of them being out of stock, I finally got my hands on them. So I did co-wash my hair with the build up cleansing and moisturizing co-wash, and then they do have a moisturized leave-in cream, but I did not use it because it does say that it's recommended for high porosity hair, and that I do not have. But I will just begin by sectioning my hair off and starting with small sections, and I always take forever to style my hair after washing it, so I will just dampen my hair. And so then I will just apply some of the Bang & Curls lightweight hair milk, and y'all, this stuff is literally lightweight but it's so moisturizing. Like this product says that it helps to fight frizz and breakage, which two things that I do have, and then it also helps with moisture. And then this hair milk is recommended for low porosity hair, so this one's for low porosity hair, and then the leave-in cream is for high porosity hair. And then I will go in and apply the Curl It Twisted Styling Gel. And y'all, this gel is not super sticky, it's not thick or anything like that. Like, it's nice and smooth, and it says that it adds shine. It does not have a crunch to it, or it's not cakey, and it is flake free and moisturizing. I could definitely tell that it is moisturizing, so that's what I like about this product. So yeah, so I just apply that to my hair, and then I detangle my hair, and then I just twist my hair up. And I know y'all are seeing them curls. Like, I am so happy. Like, my curls is really coming out of its shell and popping out. Like, it is really showing out. Like, I have not straightened my hair for about 7 or 8 months, and my hair is definitely loving it. But yeah, so I'll just go ahead and continue this process. Okay, so y'all already know that the front of my hair hates me, so I had to apply these pink small flexi rods to my hair to help it curl up a bit, but those could not hang, so I had to put these perm rods in, which they held up pretty good. And y'all, just take a look at my curls right now. Like, I honestly want to cry. This gel is really making my curls pop. Like, I want to do a wash and go, but I already know the front of my hair would not let me live, so I'll probably wait a little while longer to do that. So yeah, so I just continue to apply the product throughout my hair, and then finish twisting it up, put the perm rods on, and then once I get to this point, I am done. So I just let my hair dry. And then I'm just still at all with my curls, so I just wanted to show you guys just a quick close-up of how they are looking. Okay, so once my hair is dried, I will take out the perm rods and then apply some of the NeoCurly Like a Blossoming Sunflower Nourishment Oil. And y'all, I just love the name of this oil. It sounds so innocent. But I will just apply some of the oil to my scalp and then to the ends of my hair. And I just love how it smells, and it has a thick consistency. So that's definitely a plus. But this oil is said to repair, restore, and strengthen, which is everything that I need. So I will just go ahead and apply the oil and then start to take down my hair. Okay, so let me tell y'all, as I am taking down my hair, I noticed that this gel did not lie. It did not leave no type of crunch or flakes in my hair. My hair feels super soft and super moisturized, which I absolutely love. That's what my hair needs. So I definitely be using these products again. So yeah, so I'll just go ahead and separate my twists, and then I would take my pick and pick up my hair just to fluff it up a little more. And then the front of my hair, you guys can see that is wavy instead of curly like the rest. So I will just go ahead and take some bobby pins and pin my hair up. Okay, y'all, so this is it. This is the final look. I am in love with the way my hair is feeling and looking, so I'll definitely be using these products again. So make sure you guys check down below in the description box for the link to these products so you guys can purchase them yourself. Make sure you guys follow my social media, give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and most definitely and importantly, subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.